Fry the tilapia or St. Peter fish until it turns golden brown. You can now remove it and set it aside. Pour in half a kilo of coconut milk. You can now add the onions, garlic, and ginger. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, pepper, and salt. Just stir it. Also, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to prevent spoilage. Add 1/2 teaspoon of MSG. Stir and let it simmer. Also, add 2 pieces of green chilies and then add the fried fish. Add bok choy. Cover and let it simmer for a few minutes. Now, the fried Ginataang Tilapia is cooked. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates to my YouTube channel. Thanks!